June 16th, 2025.
Today is our first day of school.
Last floor. Guys, ang nagtaas. Sakan po nagbalik. Asa ka ang mga ano doon? Asa ka dapit tayo mo ron?
I don't know where is my room. That's why we're looking for.
Nabay room yun.
And later on, we already find it. This time, we are going to our playground for our flag ceremony. Teacher told us to fall in line going downstairs. And here we go. Let's go, guys.
And here I am. It's me, Sophia. I'm in grade 2 now. That's my new room, new teacher, and new classmates. We fall in line because we're going to flag ceremony. And here we go. Let's go. We're going downstairs.
Hay nako, pababa pa rin kami ng hagdanan. Nasa 4th floor kasi yung room namin eh.
Balik ka tayo.
Ay, salamat sa hinaba-haba ng aming paglalakbay. We're here at ground floor na.
Finally, we're here at playground, and later on,
Our flag ceremony started. At this moment, tapos na ang flag ceremony and it's announcement time. This is our school. Me and my little sister classroom is in that building.
Why sa cellphone?
our flag ceremony is done, and we're going back to our classroom. It's lunchtime! I'm done eating!
Dito ako kumain sa room nila Ching Ching. After eating lunchtime, we're going to my classroom because my little sister wants to see it. My Kalapit na kami sa classroom ko.
Asa mo kagalingkod, princess?
And here we are at my classroom. Papasok na sana kami ng classroom ko. Kaso may tumawag sa akin. Oh, it's my friends pala. They are my classmates since grade 3 to grade 5. But now we're not classmates anymore.
Asa man imong kuranon? Oh, diyan ha. Bisa mong tapad. Ha? Ha?
We're going downstairs again to go back to my little sister's classroom.
Ay, mata sa ubos.
After many hours, our first day of school is done.
Bakit o sa luyo?
We're going home. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.